Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do weekly love reading for Scorpio water sign for the month of December. And this is general reading, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. So let's see your messages, Scorpio water sign. Okay, first card, Four of Swords. Nine of Pentacles. Wow. Six of Swords. I think there is no contact, most of you, between you and your person. Yeah, because Four of Swords, I think you are not talking to your person, or your person not talking to you. Someone in this connection undergoing some healing process, and this person not talking but thinking about their person a lot, but not talking, but not taking any action. Yeah, I think it's you doing your work right now, and you stand by your power. Nine of Pentacles. Definitely you are no more dependent on anyone, either emotionally or financially. And Six of Swords, some communication, air energy. And Six of Swords, I think moving towards calm water. You are moving on something. Yeah, from burden to, from sadness to happiness I am getting, because Six of Swords moving towards calm water. Here lot of air energy. Your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. But definitely you stand by your power. There is no contact between you and your person. So let's see what's going on. Some more messages. Let's see. Scorpio. Yeah, Ten of Wands. Ace of Cups. Six of Pentacles. I think you're feeling overburdened due to you always there for your person in this connection. You always investing in this connection, but there is no equal give and take. That's why you are moving on. For some you are not talking to your person due to there is no equal give and take, and you are doing self-love. Definitely you love yourself. This time you have to give priority only yourself first, because Ace of Cups with Nine of Pentacles, definitely this is self-love. Yeah, for some your person coming back to offer equal give and take. So your person could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. So let's see some more messages. Ace of Wands. Okay, one card only. Three of Swords. Okay, Three of Pentacles here. One card. Yeah, definitely there is no partnership or collaboration between you and your person, Scorpio. That's why you are not talking to your person, or no contact or separation between both of you. You are doing your work. You are working hard towards your goals and career. Definitely you are now concentrating on your career and finances, but I think maybe your person feeling very sad for the separation. Even though you are feeling sad, but you are concentrating, you stand by your power, you overcome this pain. But your person want to offer equal give and take and passionate new beginnings. For some your person want offer passionate new beginnings. For some you are something new start. You are starting something new in your life, like career wise, whatever. You overcome this pain. For some you coming back, your person is coming back for to offer partnership, and now they want to work on this relationship with you after you walked away. So let's see. So take what resonate. Energy could be vice versa. Seven of Pentacles. Six of Cups. The Lovers. Yeah, definitely they want new beginnings with you. They want reconciliation. Six of Cups is here, and with Lovers card, definitely they now recognizing feelings for you. If you are waiting for reconciliation, definitely they are coming back for reconciliation. The Lovers with the Six of Cups, you both have strong soulmate and past life connection with each other. For some, I think the Lovers card always does mean that doesn't mean that there is love, only love. No, when there is no both physical and emotional balance, then there is a pure love. But only physical, there is no emotional, then it is not called love. Okay, so I think that is the issue for some here. I think your person may be in and out your life. Definitely now they want you back, they want to win you back. And Six of Cups, they want reconciliation. Now they want to offer equal give and take. They want to work on this relationship, but you overcome this pain. Now it's up to you to give another chance or not. Energy could be vice versa. Take what resonate. You or your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus or Gemini. So let's see your person current feelings and then your future actions towards you. Scorpio, first their current feelings. Queen of Wands, King of Cups, Tower. Yeah, they are undergoing some tower moment. This separation, whatever happening between both of you, definitely this is tower moment for them. Definitely they are very, very passionate about your Queen of Wands, and your person also very strong person, very stubborn person, and they have King of Cups. They have emotions for you. Yeah, for sure they have emotions for you. They want to express their emotions, they want to express their feelings, they want to show their emotions. In past maybe they don't express their feelings to you due to they are having some hard time, whatever. Some people don't express their feelings, okay? Some people easily express. So definitely this time the King of Cups, they want to offer their cup of love to you. Definitely this all creates a tower moment for them. They are very, very passionate about you. They are very, very attracted to you. You or your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So let's see the near future actions towards you, Scorpio. Your person near future actions towards you. Six of Wands, Three of Swords. I think your person feeling very, very sad. Two of Wands, thinking and waiting. Yeah, they want success in this connection. They want win you back again. And Three of Swords with Two of Wands. Definitely they are thinking about you a lot. They are very, very sad. They are heartbroken. Scorpio, your person and Two of Wands. Definitely this could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, different countries or different states. Yeah, definitely they are waiting. I think waiting game. They are waiting for the right time to come towards you. They are waiting for the right time to win you back. What I am getting here. Because your person also wants some healing process, because right now their position like this, definitely they are in so much pain. So after healing, I think they will come back to you because they are waiting for the right time. Okay, you or your person could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So let's pull some cards from the universe where this connection is headed in near future. Scorpio, Four of Wands, Four of Cups. Oh, lot of readings got Four of Cups. Three of Cups, Hierophant. Yeah, commitment. I think reunion, reconciliation. Definitely most of you, this relationship is going to be next level, but it will take time because the Two of Wands waiting game. Definitely your person wants some healing. Definitely Four of Cups and Four of Swords. For some, energy could be vice versa. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Definitely you both could be twin flames also, 11 and 11. Hierophant with Three of Cups. Definitely reconciliation for some. For some it could be third party situation also. So for some persons are not going to accept this this offer from another person. For some, definitely there will be reconciliation. You will give another chance to your person because Hierophant is here, Four of Wands, celebration and Three of Cups. Okay, for some there will be reconciliation. So take what resonate and leave the rest. You or your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Yeah, definitely they want to offer commitment to you this time. They want celebration with you, Scorpio. So let's see Scorpio, your overall energy for the week. Temperance, Star. Yeah, you are not going to answer Four of Cups, Eight of Cups. You walked away. Yeah, you walked away from this connection, or your person could be most of cases you walked away. Definitely you are not interested to accept this offer. For some only. For some feeling sad for the missed opportunity with your person. 2 cases here, and definitely you are waiting. You want balance. Already you achieved this because 9 of Pentacles is there. Definitely now you are working yourself. You achieved this balance. Scorpio. Definitely you are seeing something new in your life. Definitely there is something hopeful. Okay. Your life is going to be next level in career wise, whatever. Okay. Your person could be Aquarius or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. So let's see your person overall energy for the week. Ace of Swords, 5 of Wands, 10 of Wands, 6 of Swords. Yeah, this could be long distance relationship, and they want to fix the things because they're feeling overburdened, and they want to fight for your attention. 5 of Wands. For some there will be some resistance also. Ace of Swords, communication. They want to give clarity, Scorpio. Ace of Swords means honest communication, truth coming out, and new beginnings. Definitely for some there will be new beginnings between you and your person. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Your person could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, lot of fire energies here, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Okay, air energy. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel. Please do support me guys, and click the bell icon, then you will get all my video notification. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my videos. Bye.